Hello and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today we are looking at the TEKS tool strip diagram, specifically equal groups. We are working with a problem related to 3.4K and we'll do it in 5 minutes or less. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we've got a farmer with 9 chicken coops. Each coop's got 8 chickens, and there's 35 chickens in its coops. So, what is the greatest number of chickens that the farmer can add to its coops? Well, first we need to look, are we dealing with an equal groups problem? Well, we've got equal groups, and we do have this right here. Each coop can hold 8 chickens. So each coop, that gives us our equal groups. Lets us know we're dealing with multiplication or division. So we got multiplication or division. And also, each coop can hold 8 chickens. All right, so this is also in that same sentence giving us the number in each group. So in each group, in this case, the coops are going to be the groups. We've got each. So we've got each group. All right. And we've got a farmer with 9 chicken coops. So this is our number of groups. So we've got number of groups right here. So we have our number of groups, we have the equal groups, and we have the number in each group. But we also have 35 chickens. Now that's interesting. This seems like it's going to be a total. So you might think, well, normally we don't have all of these. We're looking for something. Let's draw a strip diagram to represent what's going on. Let's start with 35 chickens. Okay, so we will keep that and we'll kind of put that right here and we'll just say this is just a group. All right, so we've got 35 current chickens. Look at the questions asking, what is the greatest number of chickens the farmer can add? So it seems like the chicken coops aren't full. Well, let's draw what we can with the chicken coops. All right, so let's put our coops right here. And what do we know about the coops? Well, there are 9 chicken coops. All right, so I'm going to draw a separate bar here because I think I'm going to need to compare because this looks like a two-step problem. Not sure if proportionally I drew that 35 too big or too small, but that's fine. In order for me to draw my 9 chicken coops, this is what I want to do. I want to cut my bar into thirds as best as I can, and then cut each third into thirds. 3 times 3 makes 9. That gives me my ninths. Close enough. Each coop can hold 8 chickens. All right, so I'm going to put the maximum number in each of these. All right, so what does this give me? Well, this gives me, this is 9 groups of 8, and that's going to equal 72. So there we go. That's not our answer because we're looking for the greatest number of chickens that the farmer can add. Now, if there were no chickens, then that would be my answer 72. I've already got 35 chickens in there somewhere, which means what I'm looking for is the difference. So this is my unknown number. So let me show you what we're doing here. We could do 2 steps. We can say 9 times 8 equals 72. And then we need to find, this is a comparative strip diagram as well. We can compare the difference between 72 and 35. So what is the greatest number of chickens? So this is a comparison. This is why we have 2 different bars, because there's 2 different quantities. The number of chickens that can go in the coops and the number of current chickens. And we can do a minus 35. And so that is going to get us 37. Or we can just do 9 times 8 minus 35. In one, that would also get us that same answer of B, 37.